Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Rogue key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit. This simple task takes only a few minutes, and you'll have your key fob working perfectly again in no time. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should begin to separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Give it a good squeeze to ensure there are no gaps. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your Nissan Rogue, to confirm everything is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.